everyone, my name is Victoria Pavlov. Welcome to my studio. Today we will talk about how we can create beautiful backgrounds in Photoshop from scratch. I will be not spending your time just talking about what we will be working on today. Let's start. Let's do it. If you will look at my screen, of course, I have opened Photoshop and also I have created simple document. Your document could be in any size and any you can use any color for your layer. Also, I would like to mention that today we will be not talking about how we can remove a background from our image. This is topic for our next tutorial, next class. Today we will be talking only about our beautiful backgrounds, how we can create them. On the right side of my screen, you can see that I have opened Creative Cloud, a library with all my assets I will be using today. I will be not using all of them, I will be using some of them. And I would like to start with this simple ways with these beautiful flowers. So I will add this bouquet into my open document. I will resize it in a way I like, just like that, and I will click OK to accept all changes. Now I have two layers. One layer is my simple background layer with white color, and top layer is my beautiful bouquet. Before we will start working on our background, I would like to bring your attention to this. I would like to bring your attention to colors. We need to make decision what color we will use to create our unique background. Because this flower is a bouquet, this arrangement is so elegant, I would like to create my background using soft pastel colors. Why pastel colors instead of screaming bright colors? Because those flowers are so elegant and I don't want to create a very bright and busy background to bring my viewers' attention away from my beautiful bouquet, because the main point in my image is this bouquet. Keep it in mind. Now I will highlight my background layer, and now let's talk what what type of background we will be creating now. Our first background is very simple. I will click on window menu just like that, and here I will click on gradient, and Photoshop will open a gradient panel for us. If you will see, Photoshop by default gives us a lot of different gradients. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different backgrounds we can use. 10 different gradient. Not 10 different gradient, 10 different libraries with a gradient. Because we will be creating background using pastel tones, I will expand Pink's library. Look at this. Look at this beautiful pastel gradients. What I will need to do? Just click on any background, any gradient I would like to use, just like that. And voila, Photoshop does the job. This is a very simple example how fast, just like that, you can create very beautiful and elegant background. If you will look at my layers panel again, you will see that now I have 3 layers. One layer is my original background layer. Second layer is my new gradient fill, gradient layer, and top layer is my bouquet layer. The beauty of a gradient in Photoshop is that Photoshop will create a new layer for our gradient as adjustment layer, and plus to that we'll apply a layer mask. So using this mask we can mask out anything from our background. Also, because gradient, we have gradient as a separate layer, we can change blend mode to our gradient or bring down opacity of this layer. So guys, this is all about how quick we can create something unique. We can create our beautiful background in Photoshop. Creating something beautiful sometimes doesn't require spending tons of time. Don't forget it. Now let's jump to our next background.